Hello and welcome. I'm Steve Curtis and I'll be your instructor. Now before we dig in, I'd like to take a moment and talk about the format that this course will take. This training is designed to take an absolute beginner through an introduction to Blender and 3D in general. But don't let that fool you. If you work through to the end of the last section, you will have professional level skills. Now, I'd like to take a look at what the general layout of the videos will be. We'll start by introducing the video subject. We'll then progress to any needed lecture on that subject. I'll then demonstrate the tools and skills needed to cover that subject. We'll review what we've learned. And then I'll provide a short quiz for you to test your knowledge. Now at this point, it'll be important for you to be honest with yourself and not sell yourself short, and really try and get through the quiz questions. If you can't get through all of them or don't feel that you've really got that skill locked down, then I hope that you'll go back and go through the video again. Now in many of the videos where it's appropriate, after the quiz I will also provide you with a challenge. The challenge will not have a step-by-step guide with it. I will simply tell you what I'm looking for, possibly show you some ideas, and then it's up to you to take the skills you've learned and apply that to get a result. Of course, it wouldn't really be great training if I didn't show you absolutely anything that you could do with the tools. So the larger course itself will consist of projects. Aside from the challenges that improve your skill set on individual items, we'll also advance to various larger projects that are meant to take those skills into real-life experience. Those projects will be step-by-step and will target areas like photoreal rendering, animation, motion graphics, game engine work, and more. I'm very excited to take you on this journey, and I want to get right to it. So let's go.